Eweche matimore alwora counties makalwe county ma Migori, kambi mano ero mar bei rais ochako chenro ero mar chiwo tiegruok ne jopith mag rech e county ma Migori mar konyo keto chiemo moromo e county no ero. Director mar bei rais Alfred Achar owacho ni okang' makamano ero gikawo mar neno ni food production e county ma Migori obedo moromo ne oganda duto ma e county no. Owacho ni achiedh nade mabende jopith rech ma Migori kaloe oriwo kanyakla onge mar chiemb rech, onge mar jotich mabende ni kod lony makare e weche goeko mag pith mag rech e kind achiedh nade mamoko magi yude ohala magitimo. Achar bende owacho ni kambi no ero mar bei rais osedonjo e winjruok kod mano ero mar Aler Aqua ma piny Denmark mar biro keto chiemb rech e gwenge mabende okiewo kod nam Lolwe e yudo kwan mamalo mag rech ma ipidho. Counties mabende biro yudo tiegruok makamago eko kowuok kuom bei rais oriwo mano ero ma Homa Bay, Migori, county ma Kisumu, Siaya kanyakla kod mano ma Kakamega e kind counties mamoko e pacho ka.
Quality feeds. A lot of farmers also do not have the knowledge on the best application of the feeds. So basically, as Bei Rais as a company, we have also realized feed is important for us. And for that purpose, we entered into partnership actually with Alaqua of Denmark. Alaqua is one of the major producers of fish feeds in the world. And the reason that we did that, we wanted to make sure that we have the right quality feeds for our farm and also for the farmers around. Why Migori County? Migori County, we know that we have a very huge potential for agriculture. But if you compare with the other countries in the region, actually Migori County is lagging behind in terms of fish production. So for this reason, we want to make sure that the farmers in Migori County get the right quality feeds. And in addition to that, we make sure that they have the right training so that when they have these feeds, then they know how to apply them. So for that reason, this training today was organized to train the farmers. We had more farmers who had expressed interest in this training, but we could not have every farmer here. So what we decided, we selected a few with the goal of training them so that they can go back and give more training to the people in wherever they're coming from. So we called this training the trainers.
You import a lot of frozen fish and we think you should produce it yourself. And we can help with that, and it's true as Alfred just said. If the right environment is here, then we are also ready to invest and to have our own production facility here. Today we get the feed from Egypt or from Zambia, and we distribute it through distributors like Bei Rais in this region. So we see big opportunities in Kenya, and we just need to bring the knowledge and the training to the farmers. And we do a lot also in after-sales service, farm management help and so on. So it's not only the feeds. We need to help farmers to be more professional and to see that they can, in fact, earn money on this business.
We source our fingerlings from different farmers who are doing fingerling production. Then we raise them to table-sized fish. We measured ourselves in cage fish farming because of the demand of fresh tester fish. Fish grows very well in the lake, and we have so far distinguished ourselves as one of the best producers of quality fish, quality table-sized fish in Migori County.
The problem was that most of the time samawadwaro. Poroka Bei Rais can come in bar ensure that product samawadware, and we are going to do well. And particularly because I do item of fingerlings.
Gimokelo wa puonjruok makawuono ni en yudo somo mang'eny koa kuom Aqua madwa loso nwa chiemb rech ma biro konyo jopurwa e Migori County ka mondo wayud chiemb rech manyalo miyo rech wadonge yo mapiyo mondo giyud chiro e yo maber.
So I have come here personally to learn from Bei Rais and to get trainings on feed management from Alaqua. Because for the last 2 months I have been using Alaqua feeds and fish responses are okay. And I learned through Alaqua through Bei Rais Limited here. So far the main challenge is getting